Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel VBA course tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain the selected list box, the multi-selected list box values from one Excel sheet to the another Excel sheet. I want to transfer the multiple selected values from a list box from one Excel sheet to the another Excel sheet using the VBA code. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output of our application. I'm selecting the purple and green. When I click, go to sheet 2, notice a green and purple, which we have selected. Now I'm selecting blue, white and purple. Blue, purple and white. I have selected 3 items. Click. And I go to sheet 2, blue, purple and white. Now I'm selecting only green. When I click, see here we got green only. If I select,
if you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I have created one new workbook. The workbook name is a book 1. Now, first I will add one list box control and one button control. 2 controls I will add in this sheet 1. Notice on the menu bar there is a developer option here. The developer under controls there is a insert controls there. Once you click the insert controls, there are 2 types of controls, form and ActiveX controls. For this tutorial, I am using the ActiveX controls. First, I require one list box. I am selecting the list box and placing on my Excel sheet 1. The sheet name is a sheet 1. After that, I will add one button control. Go to insert and button control here. This is the button control. And I am changing the button control label to, notice here, the properties, click that one. In the properties, caption I am changing to click, enter. After that, I am selecting the list box also. We need to change one property called multi-select. By default, it's multi-select single here. We need to add the form multi-select multi here, which is the index 1. I have selected that one. After that, let's close this list box. Again, select the button control, double click the button control. After we got the button click event, but first we need to add some values to the list box. For that, I am selecting the worksheet object and activate. We don't require the selection change event of the worksheet, have deleted. Now here I am adding listbox 1.list is equals to array. In this array between double quotes I am adding some array items, which are the colors red, blue, green, orange, purple, black and white. That's it. Now let's check the output. This array of items is binded to this list box or not. I'm running this application. After that, switch over to our Excel sheet. Notice here we got the items are added to our Excel sheet. Now my aim is, if you use a select particular selected items in this list box, notice here I am selecting more than one items. We have set the property multi-select property, so I can able to select multiple items. Now when I click, I want to transfer green, purple, black to Excel sheet 2 here. In this sheet 2 I am adding one label control. One label control here I am adding. So what we do is we'll white color, and this one, go to developer properties and changing the label to none. Then let's add the font also. Font is bold and I'm adding 14. And this property of the label which is in index 2, sheet 2. Now switch over to sheet 1. Select go to design mode, select the design mode. Now select the button control, double click that one. It will create the command button click event. Now here the code is, I'm declaring one variable dim selection items as string data, right? Now for loop I'm adding for I is equals to 0, I is equals to 0 to listbox 1 dot list count minus 1, because minus 1 have added there, which is I can count more than 1 here using for loop. Then next I, after that, now in the for loop I'm adding if listbox 1 dot selected property takes a parameter the I value, selected I is equals to true, then let's produce an if. Now then between this if condition and this if condition I'm adding this variable selection items is equals to selection items ampersand listbox 1 dot list I. That's it. Now this selection items will hold whatever the selected items in this listbox 1 I'm holding in this object selection items. Now this selection items I want to send to the sheet 2, so again switch over to the VBA code. After the end next I, here I am adding sheet 2 dot label 1 dot caption is equals to selection items. That's it. We have done the coding part. Now let's check the final output of our application and make sure come out from the design mode. Now let's check the final output of our application. In sheet 2 it's totally empty. Now whatever the items I'm selecting, for example here I have selected blue, black and orange. 3 items I have selected. When I click go to sheet 2, notice a blue, orange, black. And go to design mode. What I'll do is in the selection items here we require ampersand, give some space. That's it. Now let's switch over, come out from the design mode. Now let's check the final output of our application. I'm selecting the purple and green. When I click go to sheet 2, notice a green and purple which we have selected. Now I'm selecting blue, white and purple. Blue, purple and white. I have selected 3 items. Click and I go to sheet 2, blue, purple and white. Now I'm selecting only green. When I click, see here we got green only. If I select red and black, click red and black. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to send multiple selected listbox items from one Excel sheet to the another Excel sheet using the VBA code. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.